So we are talking about pair of straight lines. In this second degree equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It represents two straight lines. Now these two straight lines will intersect. So what is the condition? It may be parallel also. It may be two lines in the same plane may be either intersecting or parallel. If they are not parallel, they must be intersecting. For an example, this and this. These two are straight lines. You will say they are not parallel and they are not intersecting. No. They are not parallel because lines will move both sides. Here if you extend it will increase. In three-dimensional geometry when you learn, you will find that like one line is like this, another is like this. They are not parallel and they are not intersecting also. Because they are, one is an xy plane, another is yz plane. But in this plane, one plane, two lines are either intersecting, and if they are not intersecting, they must be parallel. So what is the condition of two lines being parallel? So you have to go for partial differentiation. So what you have done? You have done only general, ordinary differentiation. Now we have the partial differentiation or partial derivative you can say. So we are writing here dou dx by dy already, but here dou, and let this part of this for example. So dou u by dou x. General rule for differentiation will work. X will be only the variable you can treat here. Rest variable will be constant. So you have to differentiate this again in the equation with the help of x with respect to x. So this is 2x. You know this 2x. This y part is nothing but just another constant. So 2x is 1, it will be 2hy. Then this portion becomes 0. This portion becomes 0. This is 2g is equal to 0. Similarly, dou u by dou y is equal to, with respect to y, this portion will be 0. This portion will be how much? 2h. What y? Y is what? 2h. And then this portion will be 2b y. This portion 0. This portion will be 2f. So let this be the first equation. This will be the second equation. Yes, we can cancel two. It will be easy for us. So let's write ax plus hy plus g is equal to 0. Now finally this is the first equation, and hx plus dy plus f is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So now linear equation into variables. Simply eliminate. Suppose we have to eliminate here y. So we multiply this first equation by b, and the second equation by h. So bhy, here also bhy. So what will happen here? Here I will directly multiply it, so it will be better for you to understand. And here this one by h. So it will be abx plus bhy plus bg is equal to 0. And here takes h. So h square x plus bhy plus hf is equal to 0. If you want to subtract it cancels. AB minus h square is equal to, what will happen here? It will be HF minus BG equal that side, BG, and X will be equal to BG minus HF upon H square minus K. I think this is given. I am actually frequently changing the sign, so you are very careful about this. So if it is in the denominator H square minus AB, so one time, two time, whatever times I did it, this is the answer. Now similarly, if you put the value, then it will be complicated. Just the way you have eliminated y, eliminate x. So if you want to eliminate x this time, here it is a, here it is h. So multiply the first with h and second with a. So that ahx, here also ahx. So firstly, multiply everything with h here. So ahx plus h square y plus gh is equal to 0, and this one with a. So ahx plus bh, sorry, bh aby plus af is equal to 0. Now if you eliminate x, so this get cancelled by taking common, so h square minus a. Since we are getting here h square minus a, so there is no need to change here. It will be how much? af gh. So y is equal to af minus gh upon h square minus a. Now think it over it. This is a condition given, value of x and y. It is very difficult, purely possible. Like you can't remember how many formulas you have. So it's better whatever is here. Of course, they are not given variable. They are given in simple like x square plus y square plus 10xy plus something. So differentiate it, partial derivative with respect to x, with respect to y. You will get the simple. Here you got x and something. It won't be x. It will be 2x plus 3y plus 7. 3x plus 4y is something. Then get the value of x and y. That is the point of intersection of the two pair of straight lines. Is that clear? Okay. So now we shall be moving to the next part. So write it down also at the same time. And I will give you one question first, two questions. Then we will come to that angle between two lines. Angle between two lines is same, the formula that we did earlier. M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1. But here what happens? We don't have M1 minus M2. Then that's the reason we are going to find it in another way. But it doesn't make any. See, bisector also one part is missing. So a straight line we have not covered some of the portions in straight lines. Firstly, a straight line also we will cover, and then pair of the straight line. So I have started with pair of straight lines, so I will complete it first. Then I will see what is left out in straight lines, and then we will move to the circle and ellipse, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. This is how we will complete the coordinate point. So let's take one basic question here. Firstly, question number 1. Find the equations of two straight lines, whose combined equation is 6x square plus 5xy minus 4y square plus 7x plus 13y minus b is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines is two equations, linear equations with two variables. Two equations are clubbed together. Understand? So here if you say find the instead of two statement, there are two ways of doing. First you go for factorization if you do, but most of the time our mind doesn't think. So go for the normal method that we did yesterday. What we did? Take either x or y in terms of quadrant. And you know the discriminant, that part should be equal to 0. So that part you make it 0. And this is how, and even if you will get that part itself, when you take ax square plus the complete formula, then the concept works like discriminant should be equal to 0. So if it is given that this is a pair of straight line, because there it was the condition delta is equal to 0. But it is self-proven that this is the pair of straight lines. It means that the square root portion, a square minus 4ac, must be reducible to the linear form. Understand? Root under a square minus 4ac must be reducible to the linear form. So we will solve this. So this question we can do both ways. So see, the first one is six x squared, and here take these two x portion. So if you take x common, what will happen? Y plus 7 times x minus 4y square plus 13y minus 3 is equal to 0. Compare this with ax square plus bx plus 3 is equal to 0. So x value will be minus 3, so minus 5y plus 7 plus minus b square 5y plus 7 x square minus 4ac, 4 6 are 24, and now ac, c will be minus 4y square plus 13y minus 3 upon 2a, 12. Now you need to expand this. So if I am expanding this discriminant here, 25y square plus 49 plus 75 35 is a 70y, 24 4 is how much? 96 y square minus, this will be how much? 4 3 is 12, and then 4 2 is 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11 3 y plus how much? 72. Understood? So 25 y square and 96 y square, how much? 6 plus 5 11, 121 y square, and this is how much? 312 and 70, so it will be 200, 240 y, and this is 49 and 72 how much? 121. 121. So 121. So 121 if you are taking common, it is y square minus 2y plus 1. So it is 121 times y minus 1 whole square. So basically what this is telling, this will transform itself into the linear form. So here x is equal to minus of 5y plus 7 plus minus You have to write to discriminant this root under. So here 11.
So 11 minus
Y minus 1, correct? Upon 12. So two values you will take, one time plus, one time minus, to get the two equations. So here 12x is equal to minus 5y plus 7. One time you take plus, so plus 11y minus 11. Or 12x is equal to minus 5y minus 7. And this time you take minus 11y plus 7. So if you solve it, 12x, it will be how much? Minus 6y. And it will be how much? Minus 18 is equal to 0. And this will be how much? 12x, 11 and 5, 16. So plus 16y. And this is a minus 4 is equal to 0. So here this can be transformed into 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. And this will be how much? 4 3 is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two different equations we got. So write down this. It is editing how much is that? Picture quality. Okay, so we can stop it.